Calvary Christian Academy presents the Performing Arts Summer Camp. This camp is designed to be a fun and energetic immersion into the world of musical theater. Days are jam-packed with activities and interactive workshops that build performance skills, self-confidence, lasting friendships, and teamwork with Christ at the center of it all. Students will have rotations through drama, dance, and vocal workshops, culminating in a musical production for family and friends. So come join us this summer at CCA Performing Arts Camp. You'll be glad you did. For more information, contact Director Elizabeth Contini, elizabethc@ccaeagles.org.